Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome. My name is Nathena Antoinette. So I was gifted a souvenir from a friend who went to Myrtle Beach last month, and the shirt is so pretty. I was like, oh my gosh, these colors look so pretty on my skin. It's a whole vibe. So I don't know if y'all could see like how pretty the color is. I was like, I want to do some makeup inspired by this shirt because the color is so bomb. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm still kind of like experimenting with like the pop colors and all of that, but this is a part of a set that I got from Mayo Makeup. Found them on Instagram. I have tried their colors before, but I'm just using the white, the pink, and this like, it's kind of a shimmery teal shade that they have in there. I've already primed my lid with concealer. I used the Fawn shade from LA Girl Pro. And this was super simple. Like, I didn't get stumped or anything. So I'm sure you could do it too. This is the medium to dark palette, right? Yeah, and I used the contour shade out of there to just do my lid. I used the LA Girl Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade White to put on my lid and kind of, well, not kind of, but to help make these colors pop. Next, I took the white pigment. I put that in my inner corner. I took that pretty blue, teal, aquamarine shimmer shade, and I just packed that on my lid. After that, I took the pink shade, if I could get it open again, and I just popped that on the outside, and I dragged it inward so that it could kind of create that little purpley center shade. Kind of looked up on that part because it happened by accident. So I'm just sweeping it in. Next, eyeliner. Y'all, this is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Y'all, if you feel like, oh my god, I just can't figure out how to do eyeliner, try using a different product. Find the tool that works best for you. This is the truth. Like, this is definitely your holy grail. I'm probably never going to use a different kind of eyeliner because this just works for me. For my face, I am still going to use my LA Girl Pro in Fawn. Take care of these dark circles. I'm gonna use a foundation I haven't used in I don't know how long, but it's the Matte Velvet Makeup Forever, and this is in the shade 75. I picked this up when I was staying in Atlanta, and I really liked the finish of it, but then I don't know, some kind of way it just started to look rather orange one day, and I just like put it down. I didn't bother anymore, but I want to clean out my makeup collection, so I'm not going anywhere special, so I could look a little Trumpish, I guess. I'm taking number 7 in my Juvia's Place concealer. Add some to my cheeky. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer. I want to be like super snatched for this look because why not? So I'm going to go back into this the same palette as before. I'm going to use the Sculpt shade though, and I'm still trying to like perfect like nose contouring. I am going to set today using my Sasha Buttercup. For my contour, I'm going into the dark deep palette, and I'm going to use this Sculpt shade. So I have my lashes on. Now I want to look like a baby doll. I already have big eyes, but let's make them bigger. After struggling with getting that in my waterline, I found my white NYX pencil. But it's okay because I don't know where my sharpener is. I'm gonna put a little mascara on my lashes at the bottom and at the top to bring that together. My Chantilly Cosmetics in Honey Bunches. I also found them off of Instagram. This is so pretty. So flipping pretty. I am going to go ahead and highlight my face. I'm gonna set my face. So, I'm gonna just keep my lips nice and, because I want this to be wearable, you know what I'm saying? So up here, I had already had my butter gloss on. I never wiped it off. So I'm just gonna leave this on my lips for this look, like I do for most of my looks, you know? But that is it. So here we have highlight popping. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I have to go pick up Blythe and then I have another video to record. So you know, have a good day, stay hydrated, drink your water, and be sure to recycle everything except for your exes. Bye.